The UltraFlex is the ultimate truck bed solution, a premium hard-folding bed cover that comes standard with unrivaled features. A dual rail bed lighting system, exclusive finished underpanel, a saddlebag storage unit, a 5-year warranty, and all topped off with superior ultramatte finish. It's easy to install, even easier to operate. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and tested in the most challenging conditions, UltraFlex has unparalleled strength and durability. Engineered with precision for a low-profile, weather-tight fit and constructed with intelligence to allow multiple riding positions. Ride with absolute access when needed and undisputed security when closed. You demand more from your truck. Shouldn't you ask the same from your bed cover? UltraFlex is more than a bed cover. It's the ultimate truck bed solution. The UltraFlex by Undercover.